Lá Fhéile Bríde, the Irish word for Brigid's feast day. February 1st marks the feast day of Brigid and the beginning of spring, a symbolic time of rebirth and new hope. The earth stirs from its winter slumber and the first green buds and shoots appear. Brigid invokes the archetypal energies of healing, creativity and transformation. It is understood that Brigid originated in pre-Christian Ireland and was a goddess of fertility, healing, poetry and smithcrafting. Her name itself means exalted one. She also symbolises the alchemical fires of the forge and of transformation. It is said that she breathes life into the mouth of the dead winter. She is associated with the ancient Celtic festival of Imbolc, an old Irish word meaning in the belly. This is connected with pregnancies and lambs that are born at this time of year. So life is already growing, but still hidden in the belly. Many tales associated with Brigid speak about her healing cloak and how she spreads her cloak all over Ireland in times of need and strife. So today, Lá Fhéile Bríde, Brigid's feast day, may she wrap her healing cloak of protection around us all. Fí bhreath Bríde Sinne, may we rest under Brigid's mantle.